بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome to science class with a new interesting topic. Open your books. Students, first we will revise our previous lecture. In our first lecture, we had read about organs and systems. That organs are our body parts, and we had read about external and internal organs. That external organs are those organs which you can see. External organs are those organs which you can see. And students, what are internal organs? Yes, internal organs are those organs which present inside our body. Internal organs are those organs which present inside our body. And we had also read that all organs have their own functions. Then we read about systems. Students, do you remember what is system? Yes, when different organs combine together and perform a specific function is called system or organ system. When different organs combine together and perform a specific function is called system or organ system. And then we read about skeletal system and muscular system. Now students, come to page 3. Today our topic is human brain. Human brain. Let's start our reading. Human brain. The brain is the control center of the body. The brain is the control center of the body. Students, brain is an important organ in our body. Brain is an important organ in our body. Our whole body is controlled by our brain. Our whole body is controlled by our brain. Students, look at this picture. This is diagram of the human brain. The human brain. And brain is divided into 3 parts. Our brain is divided into 3 parts. Cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla. Cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. And each part has their own functions. Each part has their own functions. Cerebrum controls memory and thinking. The function of cerebrum is it controls memory and thinking. When we think about something, it is controlled by cerebrum. Students, इसके अलावा टेस्ट, स्मेल, टच, साइट एंड हियरिंग को भी सेरेब्रम कंट्रोल करता है. मेमोरी और थिंकिंग के अलावा टेस्ट, स्मेल, टच, साइट एंड हियरिंग को भी सेरेब्रम कंट्रोल करता है. चले मैं आपको एक एग्जाम्पल के ज़रिए समझाती हूँ. अगर मैं आपको कहूँ कि अपनी आंखें बंद करें और आपके सामने एप्पल रखूँ और बताओ नहीं, और फिर मैं कहूँ कि इस चीज़ को टेस्ट करके बताए कि ये कौन सा फ्रूट है, तो आप लोग मुझे फ़ौरन बता सकते हैं कि ये एप्पल है. और आपको कैसे पता चलेगा? वेरी गुड, टेस्ट से. तो सेरेब्रम हमें बताता है कि ये टेस्ट किस चीज़ का है या था. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, सिमिलरली the cerebrum tells us the smell are pleasant or not. The cerebrum also tells us about the hardness and softness of an object if we touch it. It also tells us what is making the sound and where the sound is coming from. The cerebrum also tells us what we are seeing. Now come towards the second part of the brain, that is cerebellum. Cerebellum. The function of cerebellum is it controls muscles. It controls all muscles. We can also say that our whole muscular system is controlled by cerebellum. Our whole muscular system is controlled by cerebellum. Now medulla, the third part of our brain. The third part of our brain. Medulla control the activities of the heart, stomach and kidneys, etc. Activities mean functions. So the activity or function of the heart is it pumps the blood. Activity mean function. So the function of the heart is it pumps the blood. So medulla control the function of the heart, and the function of the heart is it pumps the blood. Now stomach. The function of the stomach is it breaks down food into small pieces, or the activity of the stomach is it breaks down food into small pieces. So medulla control this activity of the stomach. Kidney. The function of the kidney is it secretes waste product from our body. Now students, what are waste products? Waste products are those which our body does not need. Waste products are those which our body does not need. So it secretes from our body. Students, do you know where is brain present? Brain is present in our skull. Brain is present in our skull. Skull means khopdi. And the function of the skull is it protects our brain. The function of the skull is it protects our brain. Students, now come to your book. It controls all the systems and organs. It means brain. We are talking about brain. So brain controls all the systems and organs, or all organs are controlled by our brain. And hope you are completely clear about organs. And we had also read about systems, that are skeletal system and muscular system. Students, except these, other systems are also present in our body, which you will study in coming lectures. All these systems are controlled by our brain. All these systems are controlled by our brain. Students, do you know the brain is about 73% water. Our brain contains 73% water. This is why it is so important to make sure you drink plenty of water. Plenty of water means normal amount of water. Plenty of water means normal amount of water. So it means we should drink normal amount of water in our daily routine. If you don't, it can affect your ability to pay attention and learn. So if we will not drink much water, so it affect our learning skill and ability to pay attention. So students, today we study about brain. That what is brain, parts of brain and functions of each part. Students, I hope you will understand on today's lecture. If you have any questions, you can ask me on WhatsApp. Now I am giving you homework. So your homework is, you will draw neat and label diagram of brain. You will draw neat and label diagram of brain and then send me on WhatsApp group. Okay students, take care and Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.